Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cinerai Lifestyle. Today I'll take you on a journey, but to where? Stay tuned and take a look with me. Today I'm flying on Korean Air Flight KE630 aboard Boeing 777-300ER, a red-eye journey spanning over 3,200 miles from Bali back to Seoul. Today's journey began at Ngurah International Airport. After dropping off our bags and receiving our boarding passes, we passed through security and immigration and made our way airside. Ngurah International Airport might be one of Indonesia's busiest airports, but it still maintains a relaxed tropical charm. The airside area is modern and well equipped with plenty of shopping and amenities to enjoy before boarding. You'll spot everything from global luxury brands like Chanel and Polo Ralph Lauren to regional fashion and lifestyle boutiques, showcasing Bali's modern upscale shopping experience. One of the downsides here is the Concordia Lounge, often overcrowded and far from relaxing. So instead, we chose a small cafe tucked away in a quieter corner of the terminal. Surprisingly peaceful and honestly a better choice than some of the busier restaurants. Due to the size of the aircraft, boarding is divided into 3 zones for better flow and efficiency. Tonight we're flying on HL8210, a Korean Air Boeing 777 delivered in 2015. This long-range twin jet features Korean Air's prestige sleeper seats in business class and a 333 layout in economy, offering a smooth and reliable ride for our overnight journey to Seoul. The economy cabin has a capacity of 227 seats and maintains Korean Air's signature blue and brown seat colors, creating a calm and clean in-flight atmosphere. As of now, Korean Air has not retrofitted this Boeing 777 with premium economy seats. Waiting at my seat were a pillow and blanket, Korean Air's standard for offering for overnight comfort and economy. The IFB monitor is approximately 10.6 inches, paired with a wide remote tucked underneath the monitor. The tray table folds out from the seat back, sturdy, standard size, and enough space for a meal and drink setup. Korean Air has removed the XO safety video and returned to a more traditional minimal safety briefing. As we sit near the gate, the GE90 engines, some of the largest and most powerful turbofan engines in the world, begin to spool up. There's a deep rumble and a powerful vibration that shakes the cabin walls, a signature sound of the Boeing 777. Taxiing from the terminal, we head toward runway 09 at Ngurah International Airport. And now it's time for takeoff. This red-eye journey from Bali to Incheon would take approximately 7 hours, crossing the equator and cruising through the heart of Southeast Asia. Nighttime service begins. I had orange juice, white wine, and a light snack of mixed nuts and pretzels. I checked online beforehand. Korean Air mentioned additional snacks will be available during the flight, but unfortunately that wasn't the case today. About 3.5 hours into our flight, breakfast service began, a warm way to ease into the new day. Today's options included a Western-style omelette or Asian fried rice. I went with the omelette, but you can also pre-order special meals like the seafood dish, a good option if you're looking for more flavor. The seafood dish came with fried noodles, but it actually looked heavier than expected, rich and filling. Now let's look at my tray. Korean Air still provides metal cutlery in a wet napkin, styled to match the new livery. A small croissant, fruits, and yogurt completes our breakfast. Korean Air's food presentation can be a hit or miss. These pineapples were surprisingly dry. And here's what our meal looks like. If you ever seen Korean Air food photos, this looks exactly like that, plain and predictable. With that said, I can't really complain. It's just a cheese omelet and potatoes. The ketchup definitely helped add some flavor. Here's a close-up of the driest pineapples I've ever had in my life. A quick lavatory check, nothing fancy, just your typical aging Boeing 777 lavatory with a few amenities. One thing I hope is that after the Korean Air and Asiana merger, I hope the catering improves, especially with Asiana's stronger reputation for in-flight meals. And now we're preparing to land. I've flown Korean Air dozens of times, always consistent. It may not stand out like Singapore Airlines, but the crew is always professional. After a smooth overnight journey, we touched down at Incheon International Airport around 8:40 in the morning. Our Boeing 777 likely landed on runway 34R. After about 15 minutes of taxiing, we finally arrived at Terminal 2 in Incheon. As you can see, most Korean Air aircraft still feature the old livery, but that's expected to change by the end of 2026 as the airline rolls out its new look fleet-wide. Overall, Korean Air was reliable and consistent, professional crew, clean cabin, and a smooth journey home. Not the most luxurious, but always dependable, just what you need on a long red-eye flight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos from Asia and beyond.